man, the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today, we have C4 again, and he's going to give us a little insight into the personality of Andre Blackman Bryan, aka the Black Dog. Tell me already say, Blackman is an oddball. Describing him as awkward would be an understatement. They're gonna make C4 tell you now. Better than I can, but more than to keep an eye on the screen so you can see the question them from ask C4. Right. I think of this as a part 1 too. Right. But you can see on your screen the question them ask C4, and every now and then I go step in back and hear the commentary. But more on C4 really have the floor. But before going further, I have a special birthday shout out. Guess whose birthday it is? None other than C4. Yes, PIA Patreon squad to that C4 birthday. And I want to wish him happy birthday in the comment section. C4 don't already make a reason, so we don't have to say nothing more. Big up yourself. So, make a move into the video at the same time. This one right there, so hope some of the digestion dinner, right? Cause you might laugh until you spit it out. C4.
Alright, Blackman thing now. Blackman only care about crime. Blackman don't care about woman or nobody, he just care about crime. Blackman go up on the internet every day and watch a crime status. If you see how much shooting going on Mobile, how much shooting going on Clarendon, how much shooting going on St. Andrew, and he must say, he must cuss and say, when the time I go to killing going on Mobile, in 2017 there, man just cuss and say, Mobile one man going to be a bad man, and I be a tall and Spanish man going on the gun up Mobile. And man say, how much killing going on there, man used to like compete. I say like I said, 3 shooting going on Mobile. In call man and tell them say, yo, one mash up 3 boy or 4 boy in a day. So I should always try to compete with the shooting them and see if him can outdo a different parish with the shooting. So that one don't care about woman, that one doesn't care about who dead, that one doesn't care about killing. He man don't want Spanish town peaceful, no time at all. The man is a small if he always are dead. And he's a man where love for the on the crime scene, on different car and watch when a man are dead. If you ever go down, if you move to Senegal already and say, me not see that man there, he call whole heap of people, because he's a man with a whole heap of link, And me can tell you, he's a man where, you see the old people them are work with him. He's a man where you will call and say, me not see the man we ask, so I must say, don't move, me make a call. And then he call back and tell you exactly what the person there, And then he say, me I go drive come out there because I want to see how no fix him. And he will drive come and park up in one car and look how the murder take place. And then he will say, yeah man, that's I love Sus, because Sus not feel me. So there's a man who obsessed with killing and seeing people. This man I love woman, man. I remember one time a girl come from foreign, fly down from foreign, just to come spend time with the man over Caribbean Estate. And my phone, her number, I alone she could have called. She could have contact him. So if I decide I want to call, she can't talk to him. Sometimes I decide I want to say, me don't want to chat to her. Tell her something there, so. So, boom, now one night, him call me and say, she called him and say, man, if you bring to your call, man. She sent the address to me, everything. She said, if you just tell her name and reach at the gate, and the security will let me know and rotate. So I said, we are slide. So one day we were on the avenue and I think woman on the avenue and Kissington company avenue all back chatting. The police Kissington man say, we are lift up, we don't have nobody knows we are lift. All this and go in the car and we drive. I say, where we go? I say, we got Caribbean Estate. So I call up the cat and say, we are come across and she say, your name? I say, yeah man. Anyway, all this one go up on the block now and reach on the block. The girl said, no have condom. I say, I don't have a condom. I say, no have a condom. So I say, yeah. I buy one pack of condom and fall back because you have a pharmacy over Caribbean State where I just want to drive go buy the condom. I just want to drive go buy the condom and come back. The cat give me a jog and I say, go on easy. So you know me I sit here and she turn on the TV and give me a remote. I'm gonna watch TV and she and him gone in the room and man come up back and say, yo, start the car. I'm soon forward. So I'm going to start the car now and then there. So I'm going to start the car and the engine start run. I see man run to the house, yo, drive. So I'm going to drive and I say, what go on? Man say, no time for the blood clot girl there, man. I say, knock it already? You can't knock it so fast, man. Man say, no, sir. I tell us I'm going to use the bathroom, but I don't want to fuck it. Man say, until the girl say I'm going to use the bathroom and I cut in, all time for she. So the girl called me one minute before me even exit Caribbean Estate. The girl called me and I say, what go on? I said, man, I don't know, man, so I have to move fast, so I don't know why problem. Just when I talk to him, I say up on the next call on the next phone, saying, can't talk to you now. Hang up my phone, the girl call, man, say, don't answer her, no lower. So I say, no problem, I don't answer. I say, boom, and she call and say, yo, she say. I just answer the phone. The girl say, if you don't feel comfortable over here, so we make me book a room for Hilton and you come and stay with me at Hilton. If you don't want to book a room for only to me book a room for more than one person. So I can't stay with him. Man, I said, no man. Girl I try to set me up, she check me. And I say, girl look good dog, even get a one knock or so. Man, I say, girl a slut. Girl have tattoo, any girl have tattoo a slut. Man, I say, buy a girl a slut. Man say, girl a slut. Any girl walk with tattoo a slut, dog. I'm not breed slut. So I say, okay then boss, I hear your thing. Remember the next time with that Rivoli and Gully get a pretty, I must call him pretty girl. I think the girl must work at digital in them place there. And pretty girl, Gully girl come and say, the girl say, show her know, you know. And if you hold that we night dance and the girls are between the whole away and the man say hi to the girl. So when I leave, at the time I say, move man, I move, you know, me out chat. Not even number I'm gonna take. I may say, oh, give me a number. I suck on get the number for your girl. And the man get for that girl there. Me and the bank say, oh, I go for that girl for me now. And then on the block I go for the girl. I suck comes in knock that girl there. And the man say, oh, the girl has slut because the girl have tattoo in her back. I say, well, you can't say a girl is slut, you know. Because the girl look good. And I say, a young girl and I go on put themselves together and they're there with the crowd, you know. So if you have a tattoo, you can't call them slut. Well, him say knock it, I don't know. And another night again, the girl called me and say, oh, she want to spend the night with him. Some say, yeah, what I do? I make you sleep in my yard. Because I sleep in my yard more time and I must sleep in my yard tonight. So, I'm not going to make him know you come over. I just make you come cross, and when you come cross, you're dead in the room with him. As so comes, in get for knock a girl that night, I'm sure, because a girl tell me say, she and him going with things. So, I'm positive, so I say, what go on? Man, I say, I'm shut in mind and knock a girl because the girl is slut and the girl have a tattoo in her back. I don't like girl with tattoo.
Stop. More want the man him pay attention. Right. Especially Carlton. All I want to run down woman we don't want to know. Want to pay attention. When kerosene want done, inchy hole. Right. They may lay down them pride and shame on the ground like a carpet. Have high standards for you, but no standard for gunman in she hole. Imagine inviting a man here in for some eagle eye. See the eagle eye, take it. And the man run left the eagle eye, you know. Yeah. The black dog take away himself. Yeah. Like Flash Garden. Run left the eagle eye. And the woman still talk back on. Alright, maybe this. Alright, suppose me do this. Okay, I'll do this next time. Meanwhile, you kill up yourself. Right. I save your last penny. Say I carry a woman over Strawberry Hill. Right, and I hope at the end of the night, you get one quick kiss on your cheek. Who near them thing there? Me laugh until my left ventricle hurt me. The black dog was so in demand at one point that woman come from far and wide want link up with him. Corporate carry, big job, big title. I talk to 87, I say, you can't link me up with the Dan, I want to meet the Dan. I make C4 telling them about some of my favorite corporate carrier. I'm not talking about the Dali, I'm not talking about the industry girl, I'm not talking about people who don't follow up on the gram. Sophisticated people. If you never hear how much they run down the black dog and the clansman them and go to great lengths to meet up with them, spend all them money on the man them and get the gunman in hole. Iron man not turn upside down.
The man used to chat to a nurse catty friend in lane. The catty take care of him, go yard uptown, go clean up everything. And the man cheat a girl like say, oh, she a trash. But him never a girl in a lane named Vicky. Vicky away. Majority of the man them pass through. And the girl alone, me seen locked down with. Man now house locked down with her for the whole day. And it's a man now a gang. And the man must say, yo, oh, you feel like a look how Butterfoot to your whole man the man knock. And plus I want a year so much a girl that. I look how much girl I run down. And I she you want knock. But me don't know still. So that's she, me see like the only girl I see, but me can say yeah, him lock up with. But one time my woman locked down, you see it, and we have sex and thing, and you see man a call. And I say me now nah answer my phone, you know. I see Mackerel call me, I see Banker call me. And I say, me now everybody a call my phone, so I nah answer my phone. The man even said the man in my yard, the man come up and you stop, come jump up and you stop. I'm listening, coming on back with now, start not the moon there now. I have to jump on the house of corner back. I want to get there so you can't come on the back. Listen, listen what me window. The man say, Matter Mackerel say, oh the G. I call my phone and I no answer. So I say, what go on? Listen, I call him back and say, what you did? Man say, I'm on a program on the road now. I say, boss, you know, I'm not lie. I know I'm barely me there now still. Man I say, you have to lift that, you know. I say, boss, I'm soon fall. I say, no, you have to lift that now, man. So I say, brother, I'm a woman and make love, you know, I'm a woman have sex. Man say, I don't care about that dog. I have to attend to my business, you know. Man fear dead, people fear dead. So now I hear about you have sex. I was left where I do. One night, the night when them killed Dooley, my woman's birthday, and my woman had dinner. And the man called me and say, oh, boss, you know, say, it's a dinner with my woman on her birthday. The man said, no, I hear about that, I don't care about that. I have left for me I do. And can do with film business, and then when the film business deal with, I do what I want to do. And I have left my woman in the restaurant for much hours for to attend to film business. And when film business done, when I go back to my woman, she says she feel shame because every minute somebody come to her ask if she alright in the restaurant. I think I gone for about an hour and a half, left she alone in the restaurant. And the man say, I'm not busy about that. As long as film business deal with, everything else alright. Man not business about a woman. Man not business about your life. As long as he must want to kill and the person dead, that him interested in. Nothing else. Well, no, you know, Blackman not a youth, you know. Blackman would have come like city pussy, you know. Further responsibility. Because every woman Blackman to not qualify for breed. So not a youth. He only have him nephew, which is Craig's son. So him treat Craig's son like I'm being female youth. But if I see Craig's son, I feel like a female son, but I'm not a female son. I say it's just like City Puss. City Puss get a daughter, right? But when City Puss be able to be pregnant, City Puss try to kill her. But his own mother hide him baby mother from him because him that say no or nothing. You know, no woman if bring no picnic if nobody have that for all against him. You know, some all them operators then can't get you, then go for your family. So him never want a youth. So when the woman get pregnant, him they want to kill the woman and his mother hide the woman. Because him tell me his story, you know. He say mother hide the woman. So when the youth born, because I say, in 2009, him tell me say his daughter was 17 years old. and she had disrespect him. And true, she don't know say he will come kill her because he's not afraid to kill nobody at all. I could have him daughter. From she disrespect him, she for dead. But if she continue to push her luck, he might kill her. So see the pussy never want a youth, because I say no nothing for nobody have against him. Because like to him having a youth is a weakness. Because when you have a youth, somebody can use it now to try get to you for hurt you. So he never want a youth. So see the pussy have one daughter, Blackman and a youth at all. Majority of them on them not the gang. No youth. Crooks have, I think Crooks get 2 youth. Mama get 2 youth. Squeeze I get a youth. I tell us a woman I bring themselves to him and the man just ignore the woman them. The man has time for woman. Only thing the man want to do, I kill. The man have a list with some name on it. And the man just focus on the name them on them list. Say more and take them off one by one. He never brother will come from Thompson and yeah. The man they want kill the yeah man. Yo, the man day and night they want to ask him a prayer. If the man then catch Yaya and kill Yaya. Can I say man say no? Anybody go up on him list, not coming off. One way you come off your list on the dead. So I know say me dey on him list. And he not take me off until me dead me at the banker. Cause you must say na the statement you give what they say. You know who pardon them. You know if I listen to the tone correctly, you see that man have no forgiveness in their heart towards me and the banker. I love play football and play football at evening time. Some on a big field so between the gas station and Jones Avenue. We know so when I play football, man, they strap up and thing watch it. But football game is nice with him. Because when I play football with him, I can't tackle him certain way. It's like he just give me the ball and say go score. Because if I man tackle him too hard, I warp on the field and I'll thump man in the face and everything. You see it? So football game never nice with him. I'm not gonna lie. And same thing when I play. You play card, play sinker. And you can't have all a royal flush and straight or a royal house. You can't touch him money if he's saying win. I want to enjoy the whole of money and say, yo, dash on one, you know. You can't talk about it, say, yo, man, big. If you just dash in your hand, I know it's a theme pattern and you win. You have to play sinker, the man win 10 games. Back of one another. And you can't show your hand. The man does say, yo, I win. And join a pot. And you can't say, I come out of the game already done. So, card game is nice with him. And football game is nice with him. And only 2 games I know him play. I don't see him do no other sport or no other hobby. Different from drinking and Heineken. And program and pre who are dead. Because someone say, yo, look here. This is how we're going to mash up the road later or tomorrow. Is a man who always come with some, or we're going to do some killing. And elude the police them. So, that man just focus on how to kill people, mostly. And how to collect extortion money. So, basically, just think how to make people's life miserable. I don't really party, you know. If party at Jones Avenue, you would do it. But you're not going to see me like, you know, like someone that saw them at the done and when they party reach certain time, I'm going to beat and put on them clothes and come like road. You're not really seen do that. And he's a keep a thing her name Rivali. Even he just gonna show him face, but he just stay. As I say, just pass through. Like he did if you had 10 or 5 or 15 minutes. And then he move again in a party. Man, when I said that man afraid for dead now, as much as he can kill people and behave, he's afraid for dead. You can't get him driving in the front seat so easy. Come pull check him in the front seat. Him saying I back I car on the left hand side of the car. And I say, oh, you step on the side. I say, oh, if a man shoot the car, easy up me door and slide out and gone. I'm saying afraid for dead, he's afraid for dead. And now I catch that man go one club. Alright, even right, let me tell you, I acting not about a visa fee move, right? But in order to get the visa, I forgot embassy with I acting them to go do the interview. And the man say him nah go because you know one guy the embassy and then man pull up and kill him. So you say that the visa they go on and him having life. To the man afraid, he want some clothes. It's not the one who can just cause I me at the bank after try to put some things together for him look good. Cause one time I go up a league and I go buy some clothes. He say I want a Air Force. So I say, oh, if I want a brand, you have to go uptown to get original. You're not gonna really get original downtown also. So I go up a league and man now and pull over and man afraid to come out of the car. And the banker say, yo, uptown and then a dog, I want you. Plus time for you pull over. Now you can't jump in the car. And the man say, yo dog, I'm afraid dog. Nah, come out. They don't know many wear the same size. So boom, go in the China shoes and get a Air Force man jump out back. But that man afraid for dead. Afraid to get catching a public. As tough as I hear him talk and go on, man, they're afraid. Yeah, man, I can not about entertainment visa fee, but the man say him not gonna do an interview. Cause I don't trust that movie. And now I go up there, man go kill him. So as I say, he never go on it. Him say he not gonna do the interview. Because he not gonna embassy if he make man kill him. Alright, it always depends, because alright, it's not a man of travel out of the community we say. You might go link up with them and are going away. You will just the my block on my house. And you see some big Pajero and Prada one. Be a Pajero and Prada one come check him. And I will look at white BMW. No white, black BMW come check him as well. And if him say I go by the studio for acting now, you will see all 5-6 car away. But in Nigeria, I don't drive with an acting car. So you drive with acting, say Mule did the Mumma did it. And then the next year with Danny and Sus them, and the next year with the rest of them, with Crooks them and thing. So, say Sus them not go unless they strap, and Crooks them not go unless they strap. So if we don't want to stop like now, or we park like one day on the left, one day on the right, and one day back him. We don't allow him, instead of allow for the next car park for come so that film window. So a man can drive up. When you don't stop like fire shot and gone. So all we drive, we don't allow our next car to come in between the film car. So in that day in the migrant for we car. If we are carrying like we are carrying okay, also have a short to the road. It's not we don't move because I was in bad really. No, we did it. And he say oh, we are slide, just move. So when I carry home, I just one car alone. Because I don't know everybody know where I live. So it's like me and the banker, Mama, Squeeze and Crooks. And Brains. Brains don't live too. There's a handful of man know which part and live uptown. But when I came home, is we did so? And he not tell nobody so I go in just slide and go in yard. So when I go home, I really have a bag of car came home. But as I say, when I go for the studio acting, we have about 5 to 6 cars go up there with him. But him not have a bag of car when I go home. And there's a man not too left. If you say I'm going to go meet nobody, I have to come to him and feel him foot. If my left go Rivali, you know, have a 2 car or 3 car go Rivali. Lariston, we will just, me or the bank alone, we can't go Lariston. Because when you do Lariston, I know, say, you'd have Stennet and Roos, so them have a ride for them around there. So, you know, so they're good. So, no man can't say them have drive, come find a shot for drive out back and anything there.
Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see yourself clean. Bless.